Welcome to the captivating region of southern Italy, home to picture-perfect cliffside villages and the ancient wonders of Pompeii. On our Naples excursions, cruisers can delve into the history, culture, and natural beauty of the area through insightful tours and experiences. Explore the Amalfi Coast, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where the colorful houses of Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello cascade down the cliffs to the sea, offering magnificent views and countless photo opportunities. Follow twisting roads that run like a balcony between the deep blue sea and the Laetare Mountains. Stop for a lunch of traditional Neapolitan dishes and seafood specialties. Sample local limoncello right at the source after a walk through sweet-smelling lemon and orange groves. Journey back in time to the ancient city of Pompeii, preserved for centuries after the devastating eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Explore the amphitheater, where gladiators fought, and the Villa of the Mysteries, revealing insights into Roman life and art. We also offer cruisers the opportunity to spend their day off the ship, visiting the beautiful island of Capri, known for its stunning views and luxury lifestyle, or explore the volcanic island of Ischia, known for its thermal spas and lush landscapes. Make the most of your southern Italian odyssey on one of our Naples shore excursions, led by local expert guides and carefully curated to make every moment of your cruise count. Shore Excursions Group. The best excursions, the best prices, guaranteed.